Hello students, welcome in your English class again. Students, we are going to start work in the book of English Brevia, and we have discussed the topic antonyms. Now the definition and the topic is quite clear to us, and it's turn to do exercise given in Brevia. And the page number is beta 178. Open up the book of Brevia, page number is 178. So before starting to do the exercise, let us discuss it. The first word is damp, and you have to find the antonym of the word damp. Two options are given, dry and this is soggy. So बेटा damp, the word damp means जो बहुत wet होती है चीज़, गीला, and the opposite is dry. Dry means सूखा, and the word soggy means it means also extreme wet, बिल्कुल uncomfortable surface, soggy. Is it okay? That is soaked by any liquid. So the antonym of the word damp will become dry. It has done for us. Similarly, we have to go through the word, the given word, and then go through the related words and find out the correct answer. The second is delight. Delight means खुश होना, प्रसन्न होना, and the opposite words are given, sadness or demo. So we will go with the word sadness. The opposite of the word delight is sadness. Is it okay? Because the word demo means presentation. We can relate this word with presentation. Next is demand. Demand, supply and request. So here it is quite clear that the opposite of the word demand is supply. Is it okay? Decrease. Decrease, less or increase. The word decrease itself means less. It means they are synonym to each other. बेटा ये तो same meaning हो गए ना, and we are going to find out the antonym. So the word decrease is having antonym increase. Is it okay? Next is deduct. Deduct means to add and minus. Deduct word means minus, किसी चीज़ को कम कर देना. So the opposite antonym will become, the correct answer is to add. Next is definite. Definite होता है when we are certain about anything, कि निश्चित है वो चीज़. But we have to find antonym definite, uncertain. Is it okay? Deforestation, to cut down the trees. The words are given delicate and afforestation, and afforestation means to grow the trees. So we will go with the option afforestation. Next is good. Good means nice. Nice and good are synonym to each other. And then next word is evil. It means bura. So the antonym of good is evil. Is it okay, beta? Next is detach. Detach means, and the words are given attach and separate. The word detach means किसी चीज़ को किसी चीज़ से अलग कर देना, detach. And the words are given attach and separate. Separate means also अलग कर देना. And the correct answer is attach. Detach, attach. Easy. Easy आसान, relax and difficult. So difficult will be the correct antonym of the word easy. Dig, खोदना, hole, छेद, and to fill. The opposite of dig is to fill. Next is like. Like, love and dislike. Like will go with dislike. Next is continue. Continue means जारी रखना, continue, discontinue. And the next is start. Start होता है वही जारी रखना, शुरू करना means. So the continue is having antonym discontinue. Connect. Connect करना किसी चीज़ को join करना, या disconnect करना, antonym is disconnect. Is it okay? Connect. These are the synonyms. Next is agree. Agree, dismiss or disagree. It is quite clear that it will go with the word disagree. Agree, disagree. At number 16, approve, disapprove. The correct word will be disapprove. Next is encourage, means discourage. Encourage, discourage. प्रोत्साहन देना, किसी को मतलब हताश कर देना, discourage करना, उसे down करना. Obedient, obedience and disobedient. Obedient will go with disobedient. आज्ञाकारी, अनाज्ञाकारी. रिसीव करना, किसी चीज़ को प्राप्त करना. सेंड करना हो गया, वही भेजना. एंड गेन भी हो गया बेटा, जब हमें कुछ गेन हम करते हैं, किसी चीज़ को प्राप्त करते हैं. सो रिसीव का ऑपोजिट हो गया सेंड करना, किसी चीज़ को गेन करना और किसी चीज़ को भेज देना. सेटिस्फाई, dissatisfy, and satisfaction goes with satisfy, so we will go with dissatisfy. Satisfy, dissatisfy. Plus करना, add करना, these are synonyms to each other, and plus will go with antonym minus, plus minus करना. नेक्स्ट इज ओरिजिनल. ओरिजिनल होता है जो बिल्कुल उसकी ओरिजिनल कॉपी है, एंड जो उसकी मतलब स्पष्ट उसकी जो कॉपी है ओरिजिनल. नेक्स्ट इज डुप्लीकेट एंड रियल. ओरिजिनल का ऑपोजिट आ जाएगा बेटा उसकी डुप्लीकेट कॉपी. इज इट ओके? ओरिजिनल, डुप्लीकेट. yes, original means we will go with the word real, and that is the synonym. So the correct answer of the word original is duplicate. Is it okay, students? So we have discussed the exercise beta in a very well manner, and what you have to do now, you just go through the words by your own and choose the correct words. Is it okay, students? This is the task of today, so go through it. Thank you, students. Good.